Namaste friends, my name is Nisha Thakur and I am a maths online tutor. I am the founder of Nisha Tutor. In this video, we are going to solve this problem a plus ab plus b equals 666, where a and b are positive integers, and then we have to find out a plus b value. This is very simple question. Just follow my steps. So first we rewrite this equation. A plus b is equal to 666. So let's focus on this first two term. We can take common from here a. So we get 1 plus b, and here plus b equals 666. Here 1 plus b. So can we add here 1? So we have to add here 1 also. Okay. A 1 plus b plus b plus 1, we can write in the parenthesis, plus 1. Okay, so now you can see here this term and this term, two terms here, and from this bracket portion is same, so we can take common 1 plus b, and here left a, and here left 1. And this is 666 plus 1, 667. Okay, can we rewrite here b plus 1, a plus 1 equal 667, and here two brackets, it means we can imagine two numbers which multiply is 667, so we can factor 667 here, maybe 1 times 667, or 667 times 1, or 23 times 29, or 29 times 23. These are the possibilities of 667. These are the multiples. So here says a, b are positive integers. So positive integers, it means lowest one is 1, 1, 2, 3. So lowest one is 1. So here b value may be 1 and more than 1, right? So this b plus 1 greater than or equal to 2, and a plus b, here a also positive integers, so this is least one is 1, 1 plus 1 2, so this a plus 1 is also greater than or equal to 2. So this is not our choice. This is not our choice because here 1 is this. So 1 is not, because this is more than 2, right? So our choices are this one or this one. Okay. So b plus 1 equal 23, or a plus 1 equal 29. Okay, so b equal 23 minus 1, 22, and a value 29 minus 1, 28. And second choice, if b plus 1 is 29 and a plus 1 equal 23, that time b value is 28 and a value 22. And here asking a plus b value. Okay, so here a plus b, a value 28, b value 22, it is 50. Here also a plus b is 50, because a value 22 and b value 28. So in both cases a plus b value is 50, and this is our answer. Okay, this is 50. A plus b value is 50. If given a plus ab plus b is 666, so a plus b value is 50. It is very easy question. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you know another way to solve this problem, so please share with me. Bye, have a great day.